well, the V8 is back together. It's taken 12 months to get it back together. We've got a crank from America made. Rotating assembly is good for 2,500 horsepower, thanks to Glenn Wells. Thanks, Glenn. We've just made 2,000 at the rear wheels, so it's making probably around the 2.5 at the flex plate. Comes up on boost now. Last year we had a lot of issues bringing it on boost, but we've had Matty, who builds a transmission, put two dumps on it, so it'll come up on boost. It's on methanol now. Don't know how I feel about that, but yeah, it's making massive power and it's only on 35 pounds. So it's made 2006 rear wheel horsepower, 35 pound of boost. So we still can turn it up. I want to, but the boys are a bit iffy. We'll see what happens at the track. So far, very happy. Yes, it's still a Holden motor, so it's a new torque power block. Still got the Higgins heads. Old torque power manifold still. We've put twin injectors in it. Sticks from Quick Bits has supplied all the bits. We've had to up the fuel pump to a massive fuel pump. So I'll be interested in trying to drive it on pump fuel because the fuel pump's way too big. We'll see what happens. So it's 10 days to drag challenge and the car's together, which is kind of weird because normally we're putting it together the night before. Pretty sure the boys might pull something off it and do something because we're not used to being so prepared. It's made really good power. Now it's got to make it work down low and at the track. So we'll see what happens.